Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add average line in Excel chart. How to add average line in Excel chart or Excel graph. So you can see this is how you can add the average line in your Excel graph. So I will show you from starting. So let's start with the video. Before you are going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start video. So guys, here we are, and this is my I have the normal chart. I'm going to add here average line. So I have month wise sales here. So first, in order to add the average line in graphs, first we need to get the average number from this sale. So here I'm getting the another column. Okay, so just take like this, and for getting the average there is a formula you have to use. So clicks equal sign, then type average, just tap it and it will be come up and bracket will be open. Just select the all 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 sales data by scrolling by mouse. Just close down the bracket now and click it. So you will get the average number of this month. Okay, so if you get the in decimal, so you can decrease decimal on by this. Okay, you have to click on this, or you can use the roundup formula. If I just click equal, click the roundup and just select and comma and 0 and click, so you will get the roundup value here and just decrease from here. Okay, this is my roundup value. So you have to apply this formula to all rest of your monthly sales. So see, click on this corner and just drag by clicking the left button of the mouse. And when you drag this, you can see this value, it is not correct, it is like different value. We need same value, we in same value in all these rest sales. So as you see, this is not same value, the different value. So formula, why this happened, because of formula shifted. You can see in first row I have select b2, b2 like b2 from b13, and when you click on second of formula and click f2, you can see the first row has been shifted down, and because of this the formula, the this number has been changed. So how you can fix it, just click on first formula and click f2, and here between b2 you have to click arrow and just press f4. So we'll get this sign. This sign means this formula has been fixed. Now it is like pin, it will be not change if you copy paste to another cell. So same thing you have to do with the this b13 and place f4. With f4, if it doesn't work, you have to click fn plus f4. Okay, so it's work for me, I just click f4. If it doesn't work for you, just click fn and then f4, fn plus f4. Okay, you just enter, and now if I scroll down and copy the formula rest of excel, sorry, cell, you can see the number has same. So average number should be same for every month because we are getting average. Okay, so you can round up by this, or you can use this formula, you can copy this formula. Okay, or don't use this. Okay, you use this only. Okay, just click and you can down 51. Okay, now you have to click within the graph and you will get these highlights, because we created this graph with these two highlights with two columns. So in order to get average line, you have to expand this selection. Just click on corner of this line and just expand. So after expand, you will get the automatic the second bar, which is average. but this is bar, I'm getting the bar. So I will, if you need the we need the average line, right? So for average line you have to change the this bar style, average bar style. So click within the chart, then you will get the this option like design, and here you have to go to the change the chart types, and here you get the like line, columns and lines. So click on lines. So in line also you will get the line, but you will get the line bar, line for both. You will get line for sales also as well as average also, but we need average line only, not sales line. We have to keep sales as a bar and we need the only average line. For that you have to use this combo. Okay, this combo option, you will get, you can keep sales bar like this and average bar like this. So average, you can see the bar color here and the sales color here. So this is a cluster column, you can keep it as it. Go to the average line and you can see the line, you can check it. You can change styles from here. So I just keep it as a default and just click OK. So now you will get the average line like this. Okay, so that is how you get average line in Excel graphs. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for